Ka BJP ka bari ka parti ka biya trailang bat ka NPP ha ka sarkar MDA kala Pynkhreh menta ban sei kyrtong ha ka election chiteng samoy na Rajabala batru na Mawphlang ha ka baidei bat ka Mawryngkneng na kalyang u president ka parti ba Ernest Mawry ulayetho ba ka parti kala ban om sei kyrtong setia na katei ka constituency uba Mawry ulayetho ru bana Rajabala lelei kiladon ki kyrtong ki balade ban one pan ticket menta lakatho kat nipor.
Yes, today we have seen this notification regarding with the by-election of 3 constituency, that is Mawryngkneng, Mawphlang and Rajabala. So from Mawryngkneng, like before also I have stated, the organization setup is not in order. We have not complete the Mandal committee or the polling board committee. And Mawphlang also, we are preparing now, but Rajabala, we have all the organization set up, right from the Mandal committee to the polling board committee. So till today, before the announcement of the election also, we have got 3-4 candidates who approach us for the ticket to fight from our party. It's too early to disclose the name now. I think within a week, we will let you know, because now we have to ask the application from the respected candidate, those who want to contest election. Till today, Rajabala we have prepared, and Mawphlang also we are looking for the ground to prepare for election. Right now, in Mawryngkneng we have not set up any mind, because we don't have the organization. Like the Mandal committee also has not yet been formed, so we have to wait for some time. So you see, as a national party, we are fighting the election on the agenda. We are not saying that whether it's a tribal or non-tribal area. We are a national party. We are going to contest election, and we want to win election and to bring development of that area. This is a COVID time, so we have to follow the protocol which set out by the Election Commission. Maybe there will be not a public campaign, maybe a virtual campaign. So let's see, we have to in line with the SOP. We will discuss, since we are in the government, we are partner in the MDA with others party also, we'll discuss for them.